guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special guest and her name is Crystal.
No, because it's my birthday.
And
no, me too, because I'm so I'm her guest too.
This is like way too short.
It's yours.
Okay. So
at least it's my channel.
today we were gonna make a part 2 because whenever we actually meant to press the pause button, but then we accidentally pressed the stop button. We had to make a part 2.
And we're gonna reviewing a glitter Play-Doh.
And it has like little cutters.
Little mold cutters. So we're each gonna get two each.
Cause like,
And I want to review the pink and the yellow. I want to review this pink and the yellow.
The light pink.
Oh, you could pink and yellow. Light pink and turquoise.
And what I want to review is this dark blue color. This dark blue color and this really pretty purple color.
We opened some of them because whenever we did the part 1 we were playing with them. So not all of, but some of them we didn't open.
Yeah.
So Jackie, you want to review yours first?
The purple one,
Jackie,
the blue one we didn't open.
Jackie's gonna review hers right now. Okay, so we move Jackie to the middle so she can review hers.
Let's show them right here.
Wait, no, so it could be like down.
There. So,
And
the
we'll
first
move
thing
it
I'm
in
going
the
to review is this really pretty blue.
And again, they're sparkly, they're glitter.
Yeah. We didn't add in.
Yeah, it was the glitter one. I'll move the camera down so she can show you.
Oh, this is actually really pretty.
Do it on this so it won't like go in the dirty floor.
Ow. Sorry.
That one, like most of them, it's hard to get out because they're like really soft
And they're so chunky.
and they're like so soft.
It's her birthday today, just so you know. So that's why I'm going.
Yeah, her birthday.
I'm 7. Yeah, it's her birthday. It's my birthday. But we're gonna have party. We're even gonna
We're gonna make cupcakes.
For our next video, we're gonna make how to make a musically, and it's one of them that says, "It's my birthday, I can see what I want to see."
And maybe in our next video we're gonna make slides.
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the blue color.
But the slime video is gonna be on my channel, and I'll put my channel down below in the description so you could go check out how to make my slime video.
So this is the glittery color thing, and it's really.
And on my channel we're gonna do the music nail polish. We're gonna do the musically, just so you know. So just make sure you turn on the notifications so you don't be late.
Yeah, and you won't miss any of our new videos.
I always have your computer. I always have your tablet, computer, or phone charged to watch our videos.
So
it's kind of like slime, but it's not stretchy. Yeah,
it's like
it's just very soft though.
It's like a little soft pillow.
Oh my gosh, it sounded like a little. It's like air whenever I go like that. Wait, hold on. It's hard. Open it.
Like slime.
Oh, it did it again.
Actually
Look,
worked.
it did it again. Look, it did it
actually
again.
works like slime.
Wait till you see.
Oh no.
Here comes somebody.
And so that was my blue one.
Right here.
So that was my blue one.
And now she's gonna review her purple one.
Well, wait, Maria. That's mine. No.
No, it's not.
No, I'm gonna play with it. Hold on, Maria.
You can hold that one. There's a little bit. Look, better. Look, give it a look. Go. Play with it. Play with it.
Yellow
together.
Why is it yellow?
Yellow.
No. Then you can actually make it. We're gonna make it with one of the blue ones.
No, Maria, stop.
Maria, they're right here. Watch out.
You silly.
Look,
go sit next to Zoe.
They're here. So,
They're here.
barely even there. Like, seriously?
Oh my God. Maria, move out of the way! I know that. I know, I unpaused it. That's it. Move out of the way. Okay.
I say yellow color. Yellow color, where are you?
But here.
No, I let her.
Calm down.
Full lava! Fine! It's full lava!
Finally, I opened it.
Okay, so
Maria,
I just really love the texture of this one. Like, really, it's so nice.
You could do one
This one is the purple one. It's really, really pretty. Yellow.
Just do
Yellow.
So I get to see one.
Okay, so who's gonna go next?
No, I was gonna go next.
Okay, now I'm gonna go next. Okay, now I'm gonna be next, and I'm gonna review this really pretty pink.
You haven't opened my turn.
We haven't opened this one yet, so I don't know how that one's gonna feel. But we opened, and we're gonna do the yellow one next. So it's actually open it. Yeah. Oh, that's
So
actually.
I'm gonna review the yellow one first.
What?
There's a little bit of pink mixed
Stop
into
going
it.
on that side. No. This actually looks pretty.
Oh my
anyway.
gosh.
Excuse me, Maria. Let's look up. What you gonna play with?
And I'll come back to you when I'm done
Comment.
taking it off.
Don't take it out. Okay, so we opened the yellow one, and yes, there's a little bit of pink. Cause we let my sister play with it. So there's a little bit of pink. But look at this one. It's so pretty. And this one is really soft too. So I'm gonna do a little close-up. ASMR. It doesn't really make the poking sound, but it's just really soft.
That's
Like, it's softer than Days of Clay, if you know what I'm talking about. I don't know what that is. It's like a clay that they use for butterflies, and it makes it butterflies, and everybody loves it. And it's this Play-Doh, I love it, and it's way softer than the Days of Clay. So now I'm gonna move on to my pink one. Okay, so now I'm opening this pink one. We haven't opened this one, as you can see. We haven't opened this one. Hopefully this one comes out real easy. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, didn't get that easy. Look at this one. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my god, I got blue Play-Doh in my nail. Okay, it's so nice and glittery. Oh my god, this one is so nice. I love it. This one, so nice. I would love a slime this color and this texture, but obviously more stretchy and a little bit more lighter, so I could like do the little thing. But I think I'm still gonna be able to do it. Like maybe if I wiggle it. So let's do some ASMR. What does that mean? Like slime poking. That's satisfying. Okay, hopefully I can see the little twirl that they do with the slime. Takes forever. Yeah. Do not do little slime twirls with Play-Doh. It did not work. It just looks like pink poop.
Like unicorn poop.
Yeah. Unicorn poop. We should name this unicorn poop. Thank you, boys. Now I have a name. Yay! Unicorn poop. That could be mermaid food.
What color is this one? Look.
This one could be mermaid poop. No. This one could be a mermaid food.
Comment down below.
No, mermaid food too. No, that one should be mermaid poop. No, don't mess with it. I just put it. Okay, mermaid poop, and this one could be ocean water. Oh yeah, ocean water.
What's oh yeah, y'all haven't seen mine, so
I just really love. Jackie, what if we mix a little bit of this and it makes a pretty purple? Now let's witness it.
What are you doing?
No, Jackie, let me.
Oh yeah.
I like pink and blue together. Oh my god, this is such a pretty purple. mostly blue. I think I need a little more pink. So I'm
Let me
gonna get a pink. Wait. Oh my god. So nice. Look, one side pink and the other side, it's a little sweet tart mixed together. Look, sweet tart. We should name that. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at the blue that it turned into.
Show them, not just us.
You said it's fully mixed. I'll come back when this one is fully mixed. This is what it turned it into. Take a look at that. It is so nice. So nice. Look at this. It's like a galaxy or something. It is so nice. It's literally.
I don't want it to show it.
Maybe if I add a little bit more galaxy. Okay, Crystal, that's enough of you. It's Zoe's turn. Look what it's turning into.
It's my turn.
It's galaxy.
Guys, it's my turn.
Okay, Zoe's turn. Wait, guys, we're mixing up the container. Where's the pink container?
Where's my blue container?
What's the pink container? Wait, this is the pink one.
No, one.
Pink.
Okay, let's do them on.
Wait.
Oops, that up. Sorry, guys.
It fell.
Oh, my.
It was a picture.
It's a picture.
Okay. Why do you think it's still moving?
Yeah.
Okay, Zoe's turn.
Okay. My turn, finally.
I just love this mermaid sparkle.
Okay, no more. It's my turn.
I'm gonna go shoot Daddy. I'll come back.
Close the door. Okay, so I'm gonna use these like they did. And as you can see, both of these are new ones. Does it really look new?
No. Yes, it does.
Right, it does.
Does this look new?
Because I really made it.
Does this one
But
look
then
new?
when you really look at it, it's really like this.
Do you think it's actually new?
Yeah.
It's not. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, that's the same as mine.
It's just it looks fluid.
This is the pink one.
Look at that. It's so pretty. The pink one.
Okay, so okay. Okay, so I accidentally mixed it.
You saw that? You
accidentally mixed it together, and that's how it turned out.
Okay.
I'll come back when it's done getting mixed. Okay, I really mixed it, and it's kind of like a dark green or blue. I think blue. I don't really know.
Do you think this one's new?
Yeah, it's not. Cause look at it. She just shaped it.
Actually made it. Wait, let me see which is pretty.
Which one's prettier?
Here is.
Because it's green, pink. This is like a gray or black.
Mine is like the earth. Way better. Mine is like the
guys, let's stop mixing it together. Like I'm not
it's
doing
like
that.
it's like a.
And this is my Play-Doh.
Only this one.
What, me?
No, you, Crystal.
Oh. It's my turn. And then this one's so glittery. That's
So
so
glittery.
Oh my gosh, let me do my
I just love the way.
Stop.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep
They can't see me on camera.
Oh, she's gonna be mad.
I'm going like this.
Get off. Oh, stop.
I didn't
do
Like an earth. What did I do?
You touched it.
I have no idea.
Comment down below and go in slow motion. Smoking it.
Comment down below on who's being annoying, Laura. It's
me,
Is it her?
Is it me? No, it's not you.
Yay. I didn't want to win anyways. Imagine if you just mix those two like
Bam.
No, you're not.
What if I put this in the pink?
Stop! What if I mix this in the purple? It's just gonna look the same. That's cool.
Seriously,
Uh-oh, somebody cried. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Yes. Bye. Peace.